नित्यानन्देश्वरसमारम्भां नित्यानन्देश्वरिमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. I welcome all of you with my love and respects. I welcome all the devotees, disciples, Samajis, Satsangis, Srimahans, Mahans, Tanedar, Kotari, everyone sitting with us all over the world through Nityananda TV, Facebook Live and YouTube Live. I welcome all of you with my love and respects. Navaratri. Today, one side Devi, Navaratri day 3, she is gracing as Adi Lakshmi, served by Airavata, who is actually a brother of Adi Lakshmi. Both of them came out of the ocean during the churning of the Milky Ocean. So Airavata, Kalpavriksha, Kamadhenu, all of them are considered to be brothers and sisters of Adi Lakshmi. Today she is gracing, Adi Shakti is gracing in the form of Adi Lakshmi, served by the Airavata, brother of Adi Lakshmi, with Lakshmi and Saraswati serving her. On the other side, Venkateshwara Brahmotsava started from yesterday, and Venkateshwara is gracing with the flute in Swarnasesha Vahana in the form of Krishna Avatara Leela, with the flute on the golden snake Swarnasesha Vahana. She is gracing. Let's receive their blessings and enter into the satsang.
Om Namo Devyai Mahadevyai Shivayai Satatam Namaha Namah Prakityai Bhadrayai Niyata Pranatasmatam Rodrayai Namo Nityayai Gauryai Ratrei Namo Namaha Jyotsnayai Chendurupinyai Shikayai Satatam Namaha Om Narayanaya Vidmahe Vasudevaya Dhimahi Tanno Vishnu Prachodayate Karpuragoram Karunavataram Samsarasaram Bhujagendraharam Sada Vasantam Hridayaravinде Bhavam Bhavani Sahitam Namami Bhavam Bhavani Sahitam Namami Bhavam Bhavani Sahitam Namami.
Today it is going to be ultimate initiation, Arunagiri Yogeshwara's unclutching initiation. Not only I am going to tell the story, I am going to initiate today using everything with Atmalinga, Jnananjana and Sri Yantra Mandala, using all the alchemy sciences. Understand this word alchemy. Alchemy means preparing your chemistry to hold when the higher frequencies of consciousness occurs to you through initiation. Understand? Making the higher frequency of consciousness occurring to you is just 1 second job for me. How beautifully, romantically, with a deep love, I looked at Arunagiri Yogeshwara, I looked at my own very core being. With that, if I just look at you, that's all. Nothing else is required. Making the higher frequency occur to you is nothing more than a 1 second job, because Arunagiri Yogeshwara or Sadashiva, whatever I describe, he is in you. There is a pure virgin space in you where he resides, cannot be touched by any incompletion. Even the worst human being, whom you consider as a worst human being, his virgin space cannot be touched where Sadashiva is living, alive. So if I just look at that Sadashiva's space, which is in every one of you, immediately you will be awakened, nothing else. It is like me remembering me and waking up. See, when you remember you will wake up from the dream. So, making the higher frequency occur to you is not at all a big job for me. Preparing your chemistry to hold that higher frequency is the real job I need to do. That is what is called alchemy. Preparing your chemistry for all to happen is alchemy. Jnananjana, Sriyantra Mandala, completion process, Shivoham process, the mantra, sacred sounds I am using, Shodasi, all of this is nothing but an alchemy process. When Sadashiva wakes up in you, your system should be able to hold and manifest that power. Ability to hold and manifest that power. Atmalinga, Jnananjana, Sriyantra Mandala, everything is alchemy process of various frequencies. Alchemy process of various frequencies. Understand? Ultimately, when the system, means your body and mind, your inner space, is able to hold and radiate, only when it is able to hold and radiate, if the ultimate is made to occur in you, it is useful. That is why sometimes the alchemy becomes such an important science. The spiritual alchemy becomes such an important science. Understand? When anti-Hindu forces attacked us, first thing they attacked are the most important thing you should practice. This is the scale. To find out which is the first priority when we start practicing Hinduism. Look at the history. When the anti-Hindu forces attacked, which is the first thing they attacked? This alchemy science. But first thing they attack is our spiritual alchemy process. Fortunately, Sadashiva loves Sanatana Dharma and planet Earth. So he goes on reviving it. nothing will be lost. To give you one example, few days before, I was talking to all my Nityananda Yogam first batch, Guru Purnima batch. I was teaching them astrology and about all the grahas. Actually, I learnt it directly from Arunagiri Yogeshwara. So whatever I learnt, I directly taught them. But I was wondering, I need the original verses for whatever I am talking as a supporting. Only then I can make this as a syllabus for Balasans and the next generation. University syllabus. But to tell you honestly, I only shared what I directly received from Arunagiri Yogeshwara. I did not spend time on referring the original verses. I know original verses exist, and Arunagiri Yogeshwara also said this is the original source available. Of course, when he speaks, he is the original source. What else? That is one. But to make it as syllabus for everyone, I need the original source. I cannot just say, oh, it is conversation between me and Arunagiri Yogeshwara. So, I was wondering, what shall we do? Where to search those original verses? Hardly in a week, suddenly one bunch of books arrive from a person who collects old books and gives it to us. Sometimes takes little money for transportation. He does this on his own. We don't even go and buy. He collects all the old books, whatever Hindu scriptures he gets it. He has so much of love that I preserve all that properly and keep it for next generation. And we also scan and upload in the internet for free people to do research. Maybe you would have seen already 1 terabyte material we have scanned and uploaded in the Hinduism Now website, and still we have almost 5-6 terabyte sitting which needs to be scanned and uploaded. The whole archives is ready, which needs to be scanned and uploaded. So the work is going on. He collects and sends. Usually when he collects and sends, it goes to library only. That day suddenly, I don't know why, it landed on my courtyard. And I told him, I open what it is. When I opened, I saw exactly 6 volumes on all the original verses which I was searching for. It's originally the discussion between Sadashiva, Devi and Saptarishis happened here, in this very land. It's called Saptarishi Nadi. The whole volume is. I was shocked, but not surprised. I know it will come, but I did not think it is so soon. I was shocked, but not surprised. All the verses were there in front of me. Now, I finished aligning, scanning, and connecting with my experience, Apta Pramana, given to me by Arunagiri Yogeshwara, and his words, and the Shastra Pramana. All the 3 properly. Now it is ready to become a Sakshi Pramana for all of you. Maybe I will be sharing for my Balasans after the Navaratri. This Nityananda Yogam batch participants are blessed. You can sit and hear what I am teaching. And the kids will be able to share it with all of you. The Balasans will be able to share it with all of you with the original verses. With the Shastra Pramana, they will be able to share this knowledge. This whole alchemy science was terribly attacked by the anti-Hindu forces. But fortunately, like this incident where I am speaking about the science of whole grahas, planets and Hindu cosmology, and the book 7-volume arrives next few days. This all shows still Sadashiva loves planet Earth and Sanatana Hindu Dharma. And he wants all these to be alive, and he is very active about it. He is very active about it. I know he will revive the whole spiritual alchemy science. I can see this place full-fledged, flourishing. Kailasa, a spiritual alchemy university. Living museum of Vedic tradition. Understand? You always think museum means dead objects showing the history. No. Here, this place will become a living museum of Vedic tradition. I am really serious, and very sincerely working on it. Sadashiva is manifesting amazingly. I am seeing now so many people come just to listen to the Akashic records. This is nothing. My original plan is in the stone slab, they will show you whatever answer you need to see. Not just the Balasans will read out, they will show you. Your eyes can see. Already they are able to entangle and show in the mirror. Now I have to take it to the next level of initiation, which I am already working on. How Sanjaya saw the Kurukshetra and described to Dhritarashtra, I'll demonstrate and show you guys. It's a science based on sound and light without any modern equipments. You know only communication based on 2G, 3G, 4G, 5G. Now you will see the communication based on Guruji. The communication based on Swamiji. It is possible. I am not bragging or I am not giving false promises. I am already successful in the establishing the network. And I just have to scale it up, which is already happening. Let's revive the whole alchemy science of Sanatana Hindu Dharma. World needs it. Really, world needs it. World needs this whole alchemy of Sanatana Hindu Dharma. And it's time we demonstrate it to the world. Sanatana Hindu Dharma needs the spiritual legitimacy, the morale, the spiritual strength, spiritual legitimacy. I think by Sadashiva's grace, it's my responsibility to bring spiritual legitimacy to Sanatana Hindu Dharma. We have been attacked so much, made ignorant so much. When I am revealing all these signs, even not only they lost the science, they lost even how the scientists will look like. Even those definitions were lost. Not only they lost the alchemy science, they even lost the idea how a spiritual alchemist will look like, will behave, will live. That's the most unfortunate thing happened. But anyhow, it is time we revive the spiritual alchemy science. So get ready for the grand unclutching Arunagiri Yogeshwara's initiation. So with this, I bless you all. Let's all radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching, causing, living Shuddhadvaita Saivam, the eternal bliss, Nityananda. Thank you. Be blissful.